Welcome back to my channel. Uh, just like usually, we will reviewing about a coin in the DEX Indonesia Bitcoin and crypto exchange. Now we will there is some news, yeah, some news. There is announcement BRI Mandiri virtual account deposit. What a fuse deposit method update. There's update method, yeah. After that, there is another trading sekarang dapat cashback Bitcoin hingga 100k. Oke, booster bonus terus. Oke, Bitcoin baru. Crypto winner. Oke, there is a crypto winner in 2023. Pilih emoji. December berkilau. Giveaway 12 gram. Okay. There is some news from Index. Now we will look in VCG. The VCG has a 91%. Okay, VCG USDT. There is some increase. Yeah. Okay, we will look in full analysis. What happened with VCG? What happened? VCG USDT. Oh, VCG has a new coin, yeah. Some indicator just like usually. There is a Bollinger Band and EMA for an average exponential. Okay, we will look in 13 minutes. Oh, from this into this, yeah. In 1 hour, what happened? Oh, there is a unstable but a very stable coin. After he dares, and now he up to the moon. After that he will down, and now he will up again to this, yeah. Okay, he will up if there is if nothing some case. Okay, in 1 hour. Now in 4 hour, what happened in 4 hour? Oh, still there is nothing sign into drop, yeah. There is sign into drop. This a blue sign, blue sign into this side like this, just like that. Usually just like this, yeah, just like that. So this is not recommended coin for buy now, but still there is still you must trying to buy now. So because of this coin still up, yeah. After that, after up, he will down. Can down into or, yeah. Okay, so you just don't buy this coin if you are ragu-ragu. Okay. uh, Activities, market activity. In market activity, there is there much too much into buy this coin, yeah. But buy this coin just, oh, there's for yeah, buy and buy. If there is a debt, oh, there is a balance, yeah, balance under our green and red point. Fellow VCG USDT, yeah. If you will buy USDT coin, if you will buy USDT coin, you must have a USDT coin first, yeah. You must buy USDT coin first. Where is USDT? You must buy USDT coin. You will trade, and there is a here VCG. You must buy USDT coin. Okay, if you have USDT coin, you buy VCG all in there. Okay, thank you for reviewing my review and analysis, and welcome back to my channel, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.